Hi, this is Prasanna. Welcome to my channel. And today we are at Satra Plaza Vashi to have our lunch buffet at Kailash Parbat, wherein you can see the price as well as the timing, that is 12 noon to 4 p.m. and what all is included in their buffet. You can see from this chart. These are the varieties. Let's enter Satra Plaza. So we are here at Kailash Parbat now and we will be entering the hotel in just some time. So you can see the buffet price is 279 plus taxes, and they have 5% of service charge which they apply, and a buffer of 1 hour, that is 60 minutes. You can see this is the lovely ambience which we just entered. So as I said, the buffet price is 279 plus taxes, which comes to 309 all inclusive, and 1 hour of time limit for having the buffet. Please enjoy the ambience. So this is only one restaurant where I can see that just in 300 rupees you get such a lovely buffet along with the best quality food ever. And Kailash Parbat is so costly if you go out for a normal a la carte lunch, but if you come for buffet, it is the best ever veg food I ever had in such a low cost. Now you can see our dining table along with some tissues and glass of water, wherein the mineral water cost rupees 55, so you can avoid that. So now they served us some kind of chaats, wherein this was the bhel puri. So they are famous for chaats, especially if you see the Kailash Parbat's chaats are very famous. That's the reason they have the best taste of chaats ever. If you compare it with the Chinese, the chaats, the other main course is awesome. Their taste is the best veg taste I ever had actually. So they served us a lot of different things such as chaats, buttermilk, and so on. And even when they just brought one, they kept on asking, "Do you want the repeat? Do you want us to repeat anything?" So they had the best service as well. So you can see this starters which were served to us, wherein were really very tasty. So we were actually surprised that we got such a awesome buffet at just 300 rupees. So they even kept on asking us how the food was, how the quality is. They suggested us to eat something when we come for our next visit because we are having the buffet this time. So superb, the starters were awesome. So now we went for the main course, but before that you can see the chart counter from where they actually started serving the charts according to our wish. And even there were some waiters who personally came to us and said, "Would you like to have the pani puri, which is not included in our buffet, but still we would really like to give it to you so that you can taste it." So such a kind of service we got in Kailash Parbat. So you can see all the other um, side dishes, or I can say the salads, the papads, the pickles, the dahi, everything. Then they personally came to us to tell us the names of the main course which we were having, to understand better what is the exact name and how it tastes. So if you start here along with the main courses, there was paneer khurchin, which was the best ever paneer curry I ever had. Very thick and very nice. And this was veg jal fries, which was awesome. When we went for taking the main course, they gave us the manchow soup on the table along with all the sauces tray and and the noodles, so that we can put into the soup and have a wonderful soup experience. It was very nice, but compared to chaats and the other main courses, Chinese was on the lower side compared to that dishes. If you compare it with the other hotels, it was really good. Paneer, which I'm just showing to you, it was very soft, Malai paneer, properly cooked in the gravy and awesome. Dal rice was perfect. Overall main course experience was very good. Rating 9 is just because of the Chinese, because that was not the best, but it was very good. You can even see in the basil chili sauce gravy there were a lot of mushrooms. And the other gravy which you see on the left is the veg jalfrezi, which we tasted at the end, but then got to know it was very awesome. So in all, the Punjabi dishes and the chaats and the desserts, everything was best. Now it was a time for us to have the gulab jamun. We were missing with the vanilla ice cream because we did not want to taste that, but the service was so nice that that person came to us and said, I will bring something for you. And he brought 2 cup of ice cream and gave it to us and said, do try this with the combination because it is the best combination. And we were really thankful to have this combination of ice cream and the gulab jamun. It was the time for us to pay the bill. We had a wonderful experience here, and the price was 620 for buffet for 2 persons. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and personally I would really recommend everyone to please try this hotel, that is Kailash Parbat, which is in Vashi on the Palm Beach Road at Satra Plaza, just for 309, pure veg restaurant with awesome Chinese starters, awesome desserts, the best main course and decent Chinese, best charts and everything superb. Please do try and let me know in the comments. Thank you all for watching, and please do subscribe, share, like and do comment. Thank you all.